from a dealer standpoint that gives you another avenue to get on that farm, talk about something, be that resource, add that value of your knowledge and your ability to help them improve their operation. They want to come to you because you're a trusted resource to them.
Time and patience, and you have to start with the right quality person, and we've been blessed with that. We've got lots and lots of really skilled and talented people that work with us. It just takes time, and you try to accelerate that learning curve as much as you can, minimize mistakes, and maximize the good experiences and opportunities, and it's amazing how quick these young people develop. It really is.